Go.
Okay. Hi. My name is Anthony. Here is my Play-Doh volcano. I've got these ridges, and inside here I've got a plastic water bottle. I've got a side vent right here. It has a complete hole. Well, it's quote a side vent. It doesn't actually go through the volcano out here. It just comes through here. And so here we have the hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, red dye, which is already in here, you can see. We got water and yeast. Now I shall pour the hydrogen,
The dish soap.
the dish soap, in the bottle.
That's good.
Now I shall pour the hydrogen peroxide in.
Oh. Good gosh. Alright, that's good.
Okay, stop. Okay.
Now I shall put the top on and mix it.
See, it got mixed pretty good.
Now I shall pour the water into the yeast. Now I shall mix it.
Slowly.
Cat yak.
Okay, that's good.
Now we shall pour this liquid into the volcano.
Is it full?
No.
Oh. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Why am I thinking of bad things?
Okay.
Alright. It's almost
Now it's time for the reaction.
Alright, take it out.
Oh my. Oh, it's the brown.
Good side vent action.
Uh-huh. It looks like strawberry juice.
And
Looks
it
like
is
strawberry.
kind of warm. It is not completely cold, unlike the baking soda. It is actually warm instead of very cold. As you can see, it kind of looks like strawberry.
All right. Good job.
Yay!